So we going to study board mass. What we going to study? Board mass. So we have already done subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. So today we will talk about of. This is of and this is bracket. Okay? These two we will talk. Of and bracket. So of is kind of multiplication. Of is kind of multiplication. But its precedence is more than division.
Yes, sir.
More than
Division.
More than division. And bracket is kind of term. Term. It itself says from where the term start and where it end. And between that, the expression will be again solved by using board mass. Board mass. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So, what is of? Of is kind of multiplication. Multiplication whose precedence is more than division. Division. And bracket is itself telling you from where term start and where it end. Let's take some example. Suppose 2 of 6 divided by 3. Right? 2 of 6 divided by 3. So what we will do? We will first work on of. Right? We will first work on of. We will first work on of. 2 of 6 equal to 2 multiplied by 6 equal to 12 divided by 3. So it would be 4. Right? Understood? अगर ऐसा रहता 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 3, so we could have worked on this division first. Right? So 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 and then it would be 2 to the 4. हालांकि आंसर इसमें सेम आया, बहुत सारे केसेस में आंसर अलग अलग भी आ सकते हैं, बट प्रोसेस क्या है, अलग है. इन केस ऑफ ऑफ वी विल वर्क ऑन इट फर्स्ट, देन डिवीजन. इन केस ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी विल वर्क ऑन डिवीजन फर्स्ट, देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. अंडरस्टूड? लेट्स टेक one more example including bracket. Suppose we have an expression like this: 2 plus 3 minus 2 multiplied by 4 divided by 3. Right? We have this expression. So how we can solve it? See, we have a bracket. So this term start from here and end till closing bracket. Okay? So at first we will solve for this bracket. We'll solve for this bracket. And then there is no of, so we'll solve for this division. Bracket, no of, then division. Then multiplication, then addition and subtraction. Okay? So here 2 plus, again inside of this bracket we will find out which has more precision. Right? तो माइनस का काम पहले करेंगे या मल्टीप्लाई का? किसका करेंगे? मल्टीप्लाई. तो 3 minus 2 4 जा 8. Right? Divided by 3. So inside of this bracket again we will use the rule of board mass. We will use the rule of board mass. So 2 plus 3 minus 8 equal to minus 5. Right? Divided by 3. Again minus into plus minus 5 divided by this 3 will come here. Right? ये माइनस दिस माइनस विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. राइट? अगर सिंगल टर्म है ना, इसको ब्रैकेट से बाहर कैसे निकालेंगे? सो इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड. सो माइनस इंटू प्लस minus 5 and this division will come down. Now we will solve it. कैसे solve करेंगे? We'll take LCM. We'll take
LCM.
what is the LCM of 3 and here is nothing means 1, right? So it is 3, right? So 1 divided by 3 equal to 3. 3 to the 6. 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. 1 5 the 5. What is the sign of 5? Minus. So we'll keep minus here. 6 minus 5? 1. 1 by 3. This is your answer. Okay? Now we are going to take another example, including of. Suppose we have a number 2 plus 4 of 2. Okay? And take bracket from here. Okay? Minus 3 multiplied by 6 divided by minus 2. We have this expression. You see, almost everything is here. Here we have bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtractions, right? So every operators of BODMAS are available in this term, right? So now we are going to solve this. So which one will be solved first? Bracket, right? यहाँ off भी है, but we will not care of that first. We will solve this bracket. ये and this will be used or this will be solved again by the rule of BODMAS, right? So 2 plus 4 of, so here see which has more precision. This one division, right? So 2 minus 3 multiplied by 6 divided by minus 2. Okay? So we will solve divide first. So this 2 will come here. 2 3 is 6. So 2 plus 4 of 2 minus 3 3 is 9. 1 minus 2 minus. So it would be plus. Okay? Now 2 plus 4 of 2 plus 9? 11. Right? So 2 plus 4, 11, 4 of 11. 4 of 11 means 4 multiplied by 11 equal to 44. 4 of 11 means 4 multiplied by 11. Right? Equal to 44. Now both are in plus. So we will just add. 46 is your answer. Okay? You can cut it.